Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And the second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand it solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular and working more for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures. Friends, here you can see a monthly chart of natural gas futures. Here I find that the movements of natural gas futures during the year 2018 seems to be very much resemblance with the moves what we have seen during the year 2021. So friends, here I find that how these moves are likely to see a repetition during this year, where you can see that how the natural gas futures behaved during the year 2017, when the natural gas futures started to remain under 9 days moving average during the month of September 2017, and since then faced stiff resistance at the levels of $3.022. Once again, the natural gas futures breached this psychological resistance during the month of November 2017, but during the month of September, natural gas futures witnessed a sharp sell-off from the levels of $3.117 and tested the lows of $2.597. So friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures behaved very indecisively during the year 2018. Friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures behaved during the month of January 2018, when everything became very indecisive, when the natural gas futures tested the lows of $2.773 and a high at the levels of $3.670, from where natural gas futures witnessed a sharp sell-off during the month of January 2018, and once again this sell-off continued during the month of February 2018, which resulted in formation of a bearish candle. So these monthly formations of natural gas futures during the month of January, February and March, so these formations looks very much similar to the formations what the natural gas futures formed during the month of January 2021, and once again the natural gas futures tested an high during the month of February 2021 at the levels of $3.326, from where we have witnessed a sharp sell-off in natural gas futures back up to the levels of $2.766, and once again the natural gas futures tried to reach the immediate resistance of $2.881 during the month of March 2021, but felt a sharp sell-off from these levels and tested the lows at $2.435. Friends, here I find that the levels of $2.435 seems to be an immediate support for natural gas futures, whereas I find that as the natural gas futures have closed the week at the levels of $2.557, which looks evident enough for a bouncing move from the current levels. Here I would like to mention that the level of $2.557 seems to be an immediate support for natural gas futures, what we have seen during the year 2018, when the natural gas futures found a strong support during the month of March 2018, and what we have seen here during the month of March. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures closed the last week at the levels of $2.557 after testing the lows of $2.415. So here I would like to point out the major difference between the current position of moving averages what we have seen during the year 2018. So here you can see that during the year 2018, natural gas futures remained under the 9 days moving average up to August 2018. Natural gas futures remained under bearish pressure because trading below the 9 days moving average. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures find a breakout above the 9 days moving average during the month of September 2018, and this breakout continued during the months of October and November 2018, when the natural gas futures formed a new peak during the year 2018, when it tested the levels of $4.918 during the month of November 2018, but consequently resulted a sharp fall during the month of December 2018, when the natural gas futures tested the lows of $2.9. So friends, here I find that once again during the year 2021 we are going to see the repetition of these three moves during the months of January, February, March, whereas I find that we are going to remain above the 9 days moving average during the year 2021, whereas I find that the current position of moving averages look very much in favor of a bullish move. So here you can see that how the 9 days moving average has formed a bullish crossover here, and here I find that the immediate resistance for natural gas futures will be at the levels of $2.989, and the second resistance will be at the levels of $3.442. So friends, here I find that we could see this upward rally to continue. Here I find that the natural gas futures could continue to show strong upward moves during the upcoming months, because here I find that a breakout move above the levels of $2.711 will confirm the continuity of this bullish trend of natural gas futures during the year 2021. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.